Well, hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing splendid, and I hope you can hear me because I'm in Lagos and generator is on and everywhere is noisy because there is no light, and we all know that this is going to go on for a long time because we live in Nigeria and Buhari is still our president. So anyways, thank you guys for stopping by my channel today. Why am I looking at the mic? I'm not at you people. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel today. Today is going to be an interesting vlog. I'm basically going to carry you along my day today, and what is on the itinerary for today is basically product pictures. I have product pictures to take for a particular brand, and I thought to basically show you guys like behind the scenes of how I take some product photography, especially when it's for brands and money is behind. You have to take it well and make it look good. This is one of the jobs of being an influencer, a content creator, brand advocate, whatever it is you want to call it. So guys, today I am taking product photographies. If I also have photography, why did I say photographies? If I also have time, I'm going to show you how I take like filler pictures. For example, I want to take pictures of my nails because I just got them done. So it'd be nice to show you like how I also take that filler pictures. Filler pictures are basically in between posts because you don't want to have your face on every grid of your post like for Instagram. So you add a filler picture, let's say picture of a lipstick, picture of your nails, as I said, or product pictures, just so that your page is not clogged with your face. You have some breathing room and it's aesthetically pleasing. So today is product photography. If I have time, I'll show you filler pictures, just one or two, how I take that and the ideas behind them, and you can replicate them if you want or not. Okay, so because I'm going to be using this camera to basically take the pictures, which is the Canon M50. I've already showed you like my new filming gear. If you want to watch that video, the card will be linked up here. But because I'm going to be using that to take pictures, I'm just going to set you guys up on my phone. This is an iPhone 8 Plus, like it's an old iPhone. So I'm going to set you guys up on my phone so that you see everything, and then I'll probably have some voiceover. I'll just check in with you guys once or twice. So that's basically the plan. Also, disclaimer, you do not need to have the biggest gadget to be able to take really nice product photography. If you have a phone, whether iPhone, whether Android, whatever brand of phone you have, you can use that to take pictures. It's just that where things are lacking in the phone, you have to compensate for like physical setup. For example, if your phone camera does not let in a lot of light, you know that you have to set up with your lights. You can use different lights. I have this red headlights, and I also have a very small ring light that I bought from AliExpress. I'm going to link that card up here. I showed you guys that ring light and how it operates, so if you want to use that one, you can also use it. Basically, I'm here to tell you that you don't need the biggest gadget to be able to take the best product photography or filler photos. Okay, so now let's move on to the place I've set up for the picture. So here is where I'm using to take today's pictures. It's literally set by the window so that it allows some light to come in through the window. And I've also set up a table here. I really like the surface of the table. It's going to be good for the pictures I'm going to take today. As I said before, I'm going to be using my camera to take these pictures. This is the Canon M50 camera. I really love this camera. I just got it in January and it's been serving me so well. So this is the camera I will use for this picture. And for lens, I'm using the Canon 24mm micro lens. This has an f-stop of 2.8, which is also really great for photography. And because the lens does not directly connect to the camera. I have to use an adapter, so I'm using the Vitrox adapter just to connect the lens to the adapter to the camera. For light, I'm basically using this my ring light, and I like it because I don't need electricity for it. I just connect it to my power bank and boom, that's it. For props, I will be using this mirror. This is literally the mirror in my bathroom that I've removed for this purpose. You see, you can use anything around your house, okay? And then I'm also using this flower. This is literally bottonia from my husband's jacket that I'm using. And I also have this plank that will work into the picture somehow, and also using these beads. I want to go for that, you know, a skin just like pearl kind of thing, and yeah, that's why I have this as an inspiration. On to the products, I'll be using these products from Soybe Botanicals. Soybe Botanicals make really great organic skincare products for the face and the body in general. You can find them on Instagram, Soybe Botanicals. I'll also leave their details in the description box, okay? So shoot time, and you want to start by cleaning everything you're going to be using, like cleaning the mirror, cleaning the beads, cleaning everywhere, just making sure everything is prim and proper. And then I want to shoot a really quick unboxing video that I'm going to use on IG story, and that's you know, the setup I currently have here. I'm turning on the lights, you know, basically moving things around, seeing if things are in focus. Don't be afraid to shift things, shift the lights, shift the props, shift the camera, shift yourself, you know, angle your body so that you get the right, you know, pictures and the right videos and the right content that you will use. And that's basically what I am doing. And here is how the video came out. I really love it. It's really, really nice. Just 15 seconds of greatness. You see, look at all that work for 15 seconds. Anyways, I don't know what my husband is doing. It's for me like he's helping me, but really it's just disturbing me. But, you know, I appreciate it. It's okay. We'll accept it like that. Anyways, I'm setting up now for the pictures. I'm placing the products on the mirror because I want to see how it looks. And taking some shots that I'm going to basically use, and the shots actually came out quite nice. Don't be afraid, like I said, to move things, okay? And here's how the pictures came out. Moving on now to set the products in front of the mirror this time, not on the mirror. Not really my best pictures, but they still came out great. I'm just saying they're not my favorites, but they actually really did come out great. Moving things around, placing things on top of each other, moving things around, like I said earlier, moving the lights. Don't be afraid to turn your head. If you need to turn your head, you need to get that shot, so turn your head, okay? Here's how the pictures came out. All right, now we're moving on to the flower shot, and I'm just placing the flower behind the products because I wanted that, you know, nice blurred flowered background, and moving the lights so that it reflects on the products, and I got these amazing pictures. Brown skin girl, her skin just like pearl. That's literally what I'm doing here. That's the idea behind this shoot, and I really, 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 really love how, you know, the pictures from this particular setup came out. I love it so much, and also because I've not seen anything like it. All right, here are the pictures. If everything else fails, just use the package of the product. Businesses spend a lot of money on packages and packaging, so why not just feature it in your photography? That will give, you know, the business some sort of more visibility and just make the whole thing look nice. Moving on to filler photos, I'll be using this shirt that belongs to my husband actually. And then I'll be using this pair of glasses. I'm just taking 2 pictures here, and I'm going to be taking it at my backyard. So this is me just going to my backyard to snap the picture. That's it. This is the wall I'm going to use as my background. And this is me with the glasses. I just have my nails around the glasses. See how I say, like, you can use anything. I could have placed my nails on a car. I could have placed my nails on another person's, you know, body. And then for the second shot, I'm wearing one arm of the shirt, of the sweater, shirt, whatever it is. And then I am just, you know, snapping myself. That's it. It's really not that hard. You can have a cup of coffee on the table and snap it, okay? So here are the pictures. So 3 hours later, and here we are done with the products photo shoot, and also like a couple of filler shoots, filler photos I'm going to use on my Instagram. This took 3 hours, so and I only just did, you know, 1 brand and like 4 filler, you know, shots. So yeah, this can be very time consuming, especially if you want to do it well. Now the key to a good product shoot is not to box yourself. You don't want to box yourself. Yes, you've seen some things online, but you don't have to replicate that same thing. You can use some inspiration. Like for example, I know when some people take skincare products photography, they like to spray water on the product so that it gives the illusion of, you know, fresh nature, you know, cool breeze and all that. But I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do like hardcore, you know, skincare, but still make everything look pretty. And you've seen by the pictures that they all look great. Some of them I'm really wowed by, and some I still like, but they are not like my, you know, favorite. So try different angles, try different backgrounds. You can set your products anywhere, as long as you have the imagination of angle and placement. You will come out with really good pictures. You can set it on top of a car, you can set it on top of your skirt, you can set it on top of your dressing table, you can set it on top of, you know, your wrapper, your duvet, anything, you know. Just make sure that you are using a very good camera that can capture well. Place the light strategically, because you don't want your light covering, for example, the name of the brand or the products of the products you're snapping. You know, it makes no sense. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is what happens behind the scenes. So, you know, content creator, influencer. Today is Saturday and I'm working. There's no day off. None. No day off. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want me to do more videos like this, or you know, other suggestions of videos that you want me to do, just leave them in the comment section below. Also check out the other videos I've done, my other vlogs. You're going to enjoy it. We are, you know, on a journey to 3,000 subscribers. So please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel today, please. Not any other day. Today is the day you must subscribe. So subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.